Dating back to the 13th century, Tranekær Castle is a landmark on the Danish island of Langeland. It has been home to the Tranekær family since 1659. The castle sits proudly amid carefully landscaped gardens, rich farmland and unspoilt countryside. As a business, Tranekær Castle boasts exquisite hospitality and quality food. So the family approached Co Plus to create an authentic brand from this long-standing tradition.
Tranekær is the oldest lived-in non-clerical house in Denmark. It was built in 1160 by the then King Valdemar the Great, and it has been the residence of my family since the mid-17th century. Tranekær is a brand where we use our history to make a good story. This brand came up because of the cooperation with Co Plus. Now we have a brand that we ourselves use and that we ourselves can vouch for.
Co Plus began an in-depth market analysis to develop the Tranekær brand, defining its target audience and what truly differentiates Tranekær food products.
In terms of the visual identity, we learned that Tranekær has this coat of arms that is the family's own, and it contains an elephant and a lion and some other different elements, and the Danish flag also flying above it. So we took that coat of arms and modified it a little bit, and we were able to put it on the product themselves and be a significant part of the visual identity.
With a carefully crafted brand ready for market, Co Plus identified a unique opportunity in Tokyo, Japan. With the Tranekær range standing proudly on Esetan shelves, how would the market respond? Within days, this refined, understated Scandinavian brand proved a hit among downtown Tokyo food lovers and connoisseurs alike.
Why did Tranekær end up in Japan? Because Scandinavian, Nordic noir, all these trends are very hip in the Japanese market. But also, they really like the story. Normally we are hired to create that story and to find out of that what is the USP of the brand and tell that in an emotional way to the consumers. With Tranekær it was totally different, because here what we had to do was actually to take the existing story, the whole heritage of that castle and that family, and put that into a brand. And by that we actually had a story, and we had a brand story that we could use all over the world.